Hello guys, welcome back to my lessons. Today we're going to answer questions under the topic of human reproduction. The structure below represents a part of a female reproductive system. At A we have the fallopian tube, B ovaries. There at C looks like the uterus. At D we have the cervix. Identify part D, that is the cervix. State one function of part A. It is a site of fertilization, or you can say it is a site of zygote division, or the transfer of the ovum to the uterus. Describe the process of oogenesis that happens in part B. Remember, in the lesson we described the process of oogenesis. It is described as follows. The diploid cells in the ovary undergo mitosis to form numerous follicles. Under the influence of FSH, one cell undergoes meiosis to form a haploid ovum. So let's look at the next question. It says, state one way in which structure C is suited for its function during pregnancy. So the uterus is a hollow organ, and it has muscular wall. It has a blood-rich lining, or the endometrium. Hence, it is suited for pregnancy. Let's look at the next question. A person undergoes a surgical operation to remove part B. If they remove part B, which are the ovaries on both sides, explain why this person will not menstruate. Because no follicle will develop, that is the first one. No estrogen produced, no progesterone produced, therefore the endometrium will not develop to be shed during menstruation. Remember, progesterone and estrogen are the ones that makes the uterus to be thick, right? So let's look at the next set of questions. It says the diagram below represents the male reproductive system. Give the letter of all the structures that are involved in each of the following. The production of the fluid part of the sperm. We have A, B, and C, right? Those letters are involved in the production of the fluid part of the semen. So now we have another question. We have transportation, passageway of sperm and semen, and that is part D and part E, because they are the two tubes that we have that transports the sperm and the semen. Name each of the following. Gland B, that is prostate gland. The hormone. Name each of the following. The hormone produced by the testes that brings about the development of male secondary sexual characteristics. So that is testosterone, because the testes only produces one hormone, that is testosterone. Name the environmental factor to which the scrotum adjusts to ensure optimum sperm production. Name the environmental factor, that is temperature. So let's look at the last set of questions. The diagram below shows a sperm cell. We can see the mitochondria there, the tail, the nucleus, and the acrosome. State how the following structures are suited for to assist the sperm to perform its function. The mitochondria, there is the mitochondrion in the mitochondria, which gives the energy to the sperm for it to be able to swim. So increased surface area for cellular respiration to provide energy. B, the acrosome. It contains an enzyme to dissolve the outer membrane of the ovum. The acrosome helps the sperm to penetrate the ovum for the sperm cell and the sperm nucleus to enter the ovum for fertilization. So let's look at the last question. Sperm cells and ova are produced by gametogenesis. This happens when a diploid cells undergo meiosis to produce haploid cells. Tabulate differences between gametogenesis in males and gametogenesis in females not mentioned in the above text. So what you're going to do, you're going to draw a table, write gametogenesis in males and then in females. The first difference is that in males it's called spermatogenesis, in females it's called oogenesis. In males, it is stimulated by the hormone testosterone. In females, stimulated by the hormone FSH. In males, it takes place in the testes. In females, it takes place in the ovaries. In males, it results in 4 sperm cells being produced. In females, it results in only 1 ovum being produced. In males, process start at puberty. In females, the process starts before puberty or at birth. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you.